Good afternoon. My name is Brad Micklin. I'm the managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in men's and father's rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, New Jersey. Today's video is my daily tip that I do. I try each day. I missed a couple days because I was out in the city doing some other videos, but I try to do a video every day where I take a small but important topic or issue that comes up for my clients or that I've seen a lot, and I try to give you a little bit of information that will help you guide you along. Today I'm going to talk about a serious topic, probably more serious than I usually do in my daily tips, and that is abuse and neglect proceedings. Just to explain the different types. Now, hopefully you'll never be involved in any of these and you won't know anybody who is, but if you are or know somebody who does, it's good to understand at least the basics. So essentially there are two kinds of hearings in abuse and neglect proceedings. The first is called a Title IX, because that's the code that it falls under, and the second is called a Title 30. Now they're more commonly known as, the Title IX is known as abuse and neglect, and the Title 30 is known as termination of parental rights. The case always begins in a Title IX, abuse and neglect, when there's been an issue or allegation of abuse or neglect. The case can take up to a year. They can extend it, usually sometimes 6 months before that can obviously end before then, shorter. The purpose of that hearing is to reunify the family, which means they're going to take whatever the alleged harm was supposed to be and try to eliminate or fix the reasons that caused it so that the family can be unified and the state can get out of their lives. If the parents are not successful in eliminating that harm or complying with the court's recommendations or many other reasons, then they would move into the second hearing, which is the Title 30, which is termination of parental rights. That is just as it sounds. It terminates your parental rights. It is permanent. There would be no contact in the future. It's obviously a very extreme measure. Courts take whatever steps they can to avoid that. Many different ways that can also be avoided. I'm not going to go into in this because it's way beyond the scope of a daily tip. But those are the two types of hearings if you or anybody you know may be involved in them, so you have a brief understanding. If you like the video, give it a like and share it. Also, if you're interested, I think you can hit a subscribe or notification so that you'll notified when I go online. I try to post every day when I'm going to be online anyway, but sometimes my times change. If there's anything that you have to ask me about this or any other tip, you can always email me at brad@micklinlawgroup.com. That's MICKLIN, lawgroup.com, all one word. Do my best to address it, and if there's any ideas for tips, I'll do my best to include it. With that, I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.